So I finally was able to pick up a body kit I have dreamed about my whole career. I've dreamed about it for years. So that's what this video is about. Making progress, cutting out the trunk, cleaning up the front frame rails. We started to realize I needed the body kit. I needed body work to understand exactly where crash bars, body seams, and fitment would be. So I'm super excited because I'm on the way to pick up my BN Sports body kit for my Rotor FD3S. Pretty much my dream body kit for my dream car. And I'm pulling up right now to pick it up from Mastermind, who brought it over from Japan. Hooray! Arrived. I'm so happy. I have dreamed about this kit. Success. We've picked it up. And we've loaded up the kit. We've got 3 boxes straight from Japan. So the bodywork made it home, and I am all of excited. Super excitement. Maximum excitement. Look at that. Got to open this up. Amazing. I've waited like way too many years to get one of these kits for myself. All right, we're partway unboxed. We're getting there. Very clean. And then under here, it's got its little authenticity badge. And they're actually numbered. So each kit they make has its own authentic number. And fenders. Look at that action. So out of the box, I love the way this thing looks. It's so wide. So no time wasted. We dropped the fenders on. Side skirts are hitting the lift. So the fitment's good, but the lift is in the way. So we're gonna have to readjust the car. Oh man, I love the way that fender looks. And then really wide rear fenders. So right out of the box, looking amazing. And with a quick lineup on the bumper, it's really starting to take shape. You can see the chassis is still floating on the lift, but I've got the bumper supported with some wood and just a couple clamps, and it lines up absolutely beautiful. And what I'll do a lot of the times is I'll build the chassis floating on the lift, and when it's time to do body work, we'll set up all the body work level to the chassis where we want it and kind of float both independently or support them so you don't end up with saggy bodywork and then create all of our support, our crash structure, everything around proper body height, proper body fitment. Nobody wants a saggy nose. Oh, I like the way that looks. All right, I think that's a wrap. You can see we're doing a lot of test fitting. Mishimoto radiator sneaking around in the back. We'll cover that in future videos. Working on cooling and fuel delivery options. But getting the bodywork now gives us the foundation for all of our crash structure and core supports, radiator supports, fuel tank placement. Now we know where our bumpers are, how much room we have. That's a wrap. Thanks for watching. Follow, like, subscribe. And we're coming out with some new merch. And we've always got a bunch of Mazda rotary related products. Let me know what you need. Happy to help you out with your builds. Time to get back to work.